He literally knocked 10 seconds ago. Let's see if we can get there. Yo, that was fast, dude.
He's already gone, dude.
Every time FedEx or someone, I don't even know who delivered that, knocks at the door, I literally, like, I picked up my camera, turned it on, and then I ran, so that's why he got away. But I always just sprint to the door and see if I can get there before they're gone to their truck. And then I know you guys are delivering for FedEx. I know you guys are busy and you just like have millions of houses that you do and you just run around throwing shit at people's doors. But I love like making it to the door while they're still there because they never expect it. That always throws them off guard. I feel like the smarter way to do that would have been to carry it outside and around the house. This box, we know exactly what's inside. This is pieces to get the truck going. We finally have some parts arriving. You guys remember when we found all the rust and stuff? I told you I found a website where you can order like replacement parts. So I just ordered a bunch of replacement parts so that we can go ahead and like weld them, or I think I actually got like a really cool sealer that you can use. Either way, we know what's in the box. This is full of goodies for the truck, but these, I have no idea what these are. Yo, this is so good. All right, I get pictures that you guys draw every like couple months. I'd say I get like a new one. This one is so good, so incredibly good. He even framed it in a sweet wood frame. Yo, Jeff, this is so tight, dude. Everything down to like the license plate is just bang on, man. This is good. This is good. My man Martin sent me this limited edition Hydro Flask that I guess only the van's workers get. This is sick. I don't know if you guys pay much attention, but like I'm not super into like clothes and shoes and all that kind of stuff. I just like, I have a couple pairs of shoes, it is what it is. I know lots of you guys don't care, but recently I've just been wearing these Nikes all the time. They have a name, there's something. Emerson was tired of me not wearing nice shoes, so he bought me these. But like other than that, I rock strictly Vans. Like I have just a shelf in my closet just full of Vans. So for me to have this is actually super cool. And thank you, dude, this is dope. Usually I don't put the letters on camera, but I didn't, for some reason, think of it today. It's really cool. Like a lot of you guys, like I don't even care if you guys send me things. I just like when you guys say that like I'm helping you or whatever, because that's, believe it or not, a lot of what I intend to do is just give people like that 10 minutes of relief, and it's really cool to see. So thank you to everybody who sent me stuff today. I absolutely love this stuff, but today, it's not about these things. Today's about this beautiful yet neglected paperweight that I have holding my driveway down. Ooh, and right on cue, I think I hear a ride.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And just like that, driveway goes from feeling crowded to empty and lonely. One of the #1 or #2 comments that you guys have been commenting on all the videos lately is one of two things. Where's Emerson and what is happening with the 240, because it's a heap of shit in the driveway right now. So to get the answers for you, we came all the way to Emeren's poorly lit bedroom. Emeren!
Hi.
Hey Emeren! Where you been, brother? The people want to know.
I just came back from rehab.
From rehab. It's so hot in here, dude. Emerson has the tiniest room. I literally stepped in your laundry basket. Tiniest room, and people overheat in here way too frequently because there's just, it's just,
Listen.
The fan's tiny, bro. The fan's tiny. Look at your little fan. It doesn't even move straight. It goes,
Whoa, it's like yellow.
I know, because your room is like yellow. Because you have like yellow light bulb. That's why my house is full of like 5K lights. We're putting the people on tripod.
21 and
Get your ass out of the way. I apologize for the poor video, but we had to come to the source to get the answer.
What is that?
That is your Xbox hard drive, you know, the external one, because the suitcases kept tipping over, so I put it there to keep it from tipping. I think the 240, we've told you where it is like multiple times.
Same with Emerson.
No, we never addressed where he went. He vanished. People think that he's gone, that we're not friends. Anyways, we told you guys where the 240 is like 100,000 times. We took it to Calgary in like May, which is depressing how long ago that was. And it blew up, and we brought it back, and then it was blown up, but it needed to get repainted. The paint was not done properly. I think I filmed something where I explained this better. We got the car painted, we revealed it to you, and then we took it straight to Calgary? Calgary. If you guys came to the show, if you guys came to Driven in Calgary, you saw the paint, and it looks really good. The color looks really good, but when you get up close, it's not the best. Essentially, we kind of gave it to the shop, and we kind of gave them a crunch time. We were just like, we really want this car at the show. Can you make it happen? And they were like, yeah, absolutely, we'll make it happen. It basically just wasn't masked properly, and the guy had been working like 24-hour shifts, like just going non-stop, because our car was like, we're like kind of friends with them. So our car was just like an added thing on top of everything they'd be doing all day. So they were working on this thing at like 3 o'clock in the morning every day, like sending photos at like 4 a.m. of what they'd done that day. Just shouldn't have been done that way. We should have gave them more time and let them do it properly. On the plus side, they're gonna take it back, obviously completely free of charge, and fix it and redo basically the whole thing, because they aren't happy with putting their name on this like really well at all. Right here is just, that's like sanded metal right there. And then if you come along, it's the same thing, like right here, all the way across. We kind of learned our lesson not to try and rush people, because they will try and get it done for you, but it will not be the best. The reason it's been sitting outside is because we've been waiting for a spot to open at paint. Because we want to do the paint first, because we want to paint the engine bay before we do anything else and put a motor in it. So it's just been sitting, and then today,
The time has come.
the time came, and we drove it away, dropped it off at paint, and I hope I don't see it for at least a month. Did he say he's gonna have it for a month?
I don't know.
I don't care if he has it for 3. You know what's the most depressing is right now, your screensaver on your TV is the 240. When it ran. Like, there it is again. Can I tell them where you've been?
School's almost over. So, 1, study comes first. I'm almost done. 2nd, also work pretty much full time. So school, work. 3rd, stressing out about the car. So that's a whole other thing. 4, Robbie's stressing me out because he's stressing about number 3. 5,
But
no, we can't say that.
we can't tell them. We have a secret car and they're not gonna know until we decide to boost it.
I hate it.
It's a good car. He's just sad because it's not his car.
Wipers up the window. Window just goes.
You chose it. We went there together, we drove it, and you chose it.
Car says it's supposed to come with like 7 speakers, only has 2.
That was a bad move on our part. Anyways, what a lot of you guys probably didn't realize was
Rear
like when
defrost is
hey, okay, stop complaining about it. We bought it, it's good, we're keeping it. We used to film together all the time, and Emerson was working, so he'd go to work, come over, or whatever, and we'd film. And then when he started school, we were all like, yay, he'll come over every day, which he did. But then we both couldn't afford to work on his car, so he works all the time now. Because another reason his car was just sitting there was because, like, we're not rich kids, you know? Basically, Emerson works all the time now. He literally works Wednesday to Sunday, which is he goes to school till 3, and then he works from 4 to 9. And then Saturday and Sunday he works all day. So I get Monday and Tuesday to see him when he's not doing his laundry. Or like picking your ass or studying or something. So like that's where Emerson went, and we didn't address it because it didn't matter. Nothing happened. He just went. He's just working and going to school like a normal person. But like it didn't affect me because I still see him. But you guys don't, so you guys are freaking out all the time. Yeah, I just see him when we're not filming. By the way, I'm gonna need you because like I'm getting airlift, and like that shit's gotta have some wiring, and I'm gonna need your help with the wiring. Like I pulled up. Yeah, I did the gauges, but it took me from 7 in the morning till 9 at night.
That's impressive.
To do 5 gauges.
Take some skill, take that long.
Well, because every time I'm like, connect the green to red. I'm like, look, connect the ones that are the same. Connect the ones that look the same. But in the meantime, we did buy a car that Emerson was bitching about for 5 minutes, and we're doing it really weirdly. My plan is, I film the videos, and I'm just gonna not share them until like the car's done. Because he's so, I almost called you unreliable. He's so busy that like, I don't want to just release 2 videos and then you don't see the car again for like 2 months. So I want to just like film when we can, and then just release the videos all in, like within like 2 weeks, just like the full build that we do to the car. So it's like kind of secret. It's not that special. It's kind of a piece of shit, but it's like kind of a cool piece of shit secret. It's hot. As in here. The seating position's terrible.
It sucks. I leave for school early in the morning, back against the back part of my ass.
As it should be.
In the, you know, nice corner.
Yep.
Get to school and I'm like, because every time I push on, you move the seat too close or move the seat too far forward, I'm eating the steering wheel. and the shifter's right here. So I'm like this. My leg is good for the clutch. So I move back from my arm. I'm like, oh my, I'm trying to get the clutch so I can pull myself forward.
We'll get you a clutch extension for little dwarfs. He says he hates it, but I know that he will like it once we start working on it. That's where Emerson is. He's alive, and I don't even know why we had to film this, but I feel like I owed it to you guys because you're always asking, and I was thinking about it today. I was like, technically, every video was me and Emerson, and then we just kind of like Control-Alt-deleted Emerson out and never explained why. So I kind of owed you guys that. What are you doing?
Peace out. Stay committed.